So I left the board in December of 2022. Or at least I announced I left in 2022, officially left in January of 2023.
Okay. And then there was a new board coming in anyway.
Right.
What have you been doing since then?
So when I left initially, I had a brief stint as a lieutenant gubernatorial candidate, ran as a Republican. At the time, right after, around the time when I announced my candidacy, I actually ended up being diagnosed with heart failure too. So I actually I had a whole transplant in actually December of 2022. So obviously I had to suspend my campaign efforts. So took a little bit of a sabbatical, if you will, but also in the time of that surgery and the recovery is where I created the Lazarus firm too. I knew that irrespective of when I left the board or what I moved on to wherever I moved on to, I was going to continue to work in this space and obviously be able to leverage some of that institutional knowledge. So that was done officially. I didn't roll out the Lazarus firm until maybe about February of 2022. So I gave myself a solid month of not doing anything. So yeah, I've been doing that since that time. And then September of 2022, I actually ended up joining a nonprofit called Ceasefire PA. They're Pennsylvania's leading gun violence prevention advocacy organization. I was hired on as their lobbyist. So, I'm a gun owner. I'm a Republican, gunshot survivor, and then obviously I have the policy experience working in the House. So I wanted to bring all of those qualities and skill sets to bear to really be able to make a dent, at least in the gun violence prevention space in Pennsylvania.